What is a Google Sheet spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a digital tool used for organizing, analyzing, and storing data in a tabular format. It is composed of rows and columns that intersect to form cells, which can hold various types of information such as numbers, text, and formulas. Staring at Google Sheets all day can be boring, but we like to hike. So as we continue, I hope you don't mind if we layer in some views hiking Shenandoah National Park while we discuss how many rows and columns are in Google Sheets. Rows run horizontally and are numbered, while columns run vertically and are labeled with letters. When you first open a Google Sheet, you are offered 1,000 rows, but there are only 26 columns lettered A to Z. But you can add rows and columns to your Google Sheets. Currently, you can have 18,278 columns. The last column would be titled ZZZ. But you can have many more rows. In fact, rows are not the limit of Google Sheets. In theory, you can have up to 10 million rows. But we'll give you more details about that in the next question. What is a cell in Google Sheets? The intersection of a row and a column forms a cell, which is the basic unit of a spreadsheet. Each cell has a unique address, like A1 or B2, making it easy to reference in calculations or formulas. The cell is the basic building block of all Google Sheets and is where you can enter letters, words, numbers, and formulas into Google Sheets. In fact, Google Sheets are limited to the number of cells on a worksheet. Each worksheet can have up to 10 million cells. So if you use the 26 columns that are available when you open a Google Sheet, you can have up to 384,615 rows. We'll get to the next question in a second, but are you learning some things today, and do you like this format? If you do, subscribe to our channel right now. That way, when you search on anything related to Google Sheets, our other related videos will show up in your search results. Okay, let's get on with the next question. Can you have multiple worksheets in Google Sheets? Google Sheets has the ability to include multiple worksheets, with each worksheet being a single tab or page within a larger file known as a workbook. The Google Sheets workbook can contain up to 200 worksheets, allowing users to manage and organize different sets of data in a single file. With these worksheets, users can enter and manipulate various data types, including text for labels and descriptions, numbers for quantitative information, dates, and formulas to perform automatic calculations. To continue learning about Google Sheets and start working with numbers and data, watch this video next.